money. No parking in LA.
Good evening, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Latulo, and if you do not know what Latulo means warrior in Uganda. I know I have been gone for about 2 to 3 weeks, but I am back. I just been having school, work, and I just been so exhausted. So this is a weekly reset. As you can see, I'm doing my stove. I'm cleaning up the kitchen. As far as right now, I have got some disinfectant wipes. Ever since I've been working in the field of children, I have been using disinfectant wipes almost every day, and I have to buy new ones like every week.
You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my to mine? So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
When I first moved in here, my nana had gave me this microwave. It is a used microwave, and you think that I was gonna buy me a new microwave? Oh no, ma'am. So this microwave, it has been rocking and rolling with me for almost 2 years now, and I love it, girl. I love it. Get you a used microwave, honey. You don't have to go out here and buy you a new microwave just to say, oh, this is my new place. No, ma'am.
Baby, I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my to mine? So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
So here we are in the bathroom, and I like to be in the bathroom like almost every time I go inside the bathroom. I don't have no bath. All I have is a shower. I still enjoy it, honey. Baby, I just be in there singing, child. I just be singing some Aretha Franklin, honey, some Mary J. Blige. I'm going down, So like I said, anyway, back on topic. I like to go in with my disinfectant wipes, as I previously stated. I just love the smell of a bleach smell, I just love it, girl. So this is where I don't use a mop. Most of y'all probably can say, oh, that is so weird, that is so nasty. Who cares? As long as my floor is getting clean. See, I have a lot of hair due to me making wigs, me brushing out my hair, and a lot of hair just get on it. So I just felt like a mop is not going to get it up. So let me get this towel, this bleach, this soap, and this hot water, and let me scrub this floor right along with the walls and the toilet. And it got the job done. Now this is the part right here y'all gonna say, now, ooh, Ashanti, now. You know better. Girl, I know better. But hey, I'm finna clean it up. And you know what? My car ain't the best in the condition right now. But you know what? I'ma drive it to A and B. It might not be A through Z, but honey, it's sure no gonna be A through B. And it takes me from point A to point B. It might even can take me to D and E, you know? But hey, this was the week. This was like 3 days ago, girl. I didn't even finish with my car. I went to the vacuum. I went to the not the washer. I went to the car wash. Tried to get my car vacuumed. Girl, why did I vacuum let me start over. Why did I vacuum my keys? Girl, I was trying not to get aggravated, but I was like, you know, God, I'm putting my faith in you. You know, I trust in you. You know, you said you got me. So, girl, I went to church, you know, to choir rehearsal. Girl, oh my God. I was just thinking, but good thing I had a spare key. Because, child, like, I was just going through it.
I ain't feeling alone, I ain't feeling alone, baby. Need you here at home, baby. You're the only one who knows, you're the only one who
Okay, so now it's just time for my room. I was trying to make a mullet. I was drawing on my canvases, makeup. I removed all of that, girl. I didn't want that stuff on my dresser. I want my bedroom to actually look like a bedroom, you know. I don't want the pens, the pencils, the makeup brushes in there. That's what I got a closet for, you know. So I organized my closet too. I just didn't put it in here. And I'm just wiping it down, honey, with that window. And that Windex, it's called something. I don't know, girl. But I got the job done with my room. Period. Period poo. However that sound go.
all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Tryna make a bad bitch be sad. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I would wait for you. And that damn job, who you make me for you?
And child, I just know better. I know better. Look at this dirt finna come off this disinfected white. I just know better. Look at it. I just know better. Like, I need to do better, you know. That's why I deep cleaned and wiped down everything. Because it was just too much. You know how you laying in the bed and then you have your fan on? But the fan is moving, but it's like you don't feel the air. So it's like Well, I did all that. I just love how I clean up my room in the air, the breeze of the air. It just comes in. Oh my goodness, y'all.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio make me fulfill. And I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and knock shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Trying to make a bad bitch behave. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. They just wanna fuck with you. 'Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end?
How you